we got a flooding situation. Check this out. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get around this, because this goes all the way down there. That's wonderful. So I'm gonna see. There we go. Yeah, the hell with all that. I was about to submerge my car in all that water. No way. I figured while I'm sitting here stuck in traffic due to the rain and several flooding spots, I would show you how my WeatherTech wind deflectors work, and they work pretty awesome, I must say. Even right here, it's not even wet. I got both sides open, both windows cracked open, just right above where the deflector ends there. And that's not getting wet at all inside my car. It's my 2008 Hyundai Elantra. I got these deflectors for an Elantra. I ordered them for an Elantra Touring, but they fit the same windows. And it is raining like crazy. But yeah. Not getting wet at all. So yeah, thanks for watching. I recommend them. Very nice.